beautiful people. Hope you're doing well. So, today we are going to talk about the suit Pentacles, which is an earth sign. So, let's get started. Pentacles are associated with the ego, self esteem, and self image. They define material, physical life, elements, and protection. So, our first card is Ace of Pentacles. So, this is a really nice card. This is a really lucky card. It also means a yes. So, here you can see the hand. This is the universe's hand. The universe is providing you protection, and the universe is telling you to manifest your dreams, manifest what you want. There is so much potential. If you can see the mountains here, so manifest, and the universe is going to do something about it. So it's a yes card. The next card, we have the Two of Pentacles. So this card actually talks about scale, talks about balance, and it also talks about discomfort and time management. So if you can see, there's water, but it's pretty choppy and it's not even, and there's a ship here. So this actually indicates emotional instability. So, and another reading also tells you that the problems are imaginary, means you have the capacity to do something about the problem. You can get balance, as you have both the pentacles in your hand and you're standing on one feet. Just put your foot down and everything is going to be all right. The Three of Pentacles. So it talks about an agreement. And if you're going to write a contract or sign a contract or anything like that, then this is a really good card. It supports you in that. There's protection. As you can see, the Three of Pentacles are here, and the universe is going to be with you. And it also tells you to notice small things. Just notice and trust your intuition, what your intuition is saying. Just trust it, and the universe is going to be there for you. Then we have the Four of Pentacles. So it talks about the heart chakra. If you can see that you're holding a pentacle near your heart, means emotions are there, and protection obviously is there from head to toe. And also this success. This is a really nice card. This talks about success and well-being, and it also talks about a certain stubbornness that you may have. So you have to work upon the stubbornness, and also you have to give rather than take. Like if you can see here, you have captured all the pentacles and you're trying to hold each one of them close to you. So try to give, do charity. Just just open up a little, and maybe you'll find your way then. Five of Pentacles. So it talks about trouble. The universe can see that you are going through a really hard time. The universe acknowledges the fact that you are going through troubles and turmoils in your life, some emotional instability. But this shall also pass. Universe is saying that there's help. If you can see, these two are just walking there in so much pain and trouble, but there's a church behind, so they just have to go in there and just spend the night there. Just ask for the help. You will receive it. Try to just ask. The Six of Pentacles. So now that you have received the help that you have asked for, you have everything that you need. You have the universe, the protection that it's providing, the wealth, everything you have. It's a really positive card. Now it's time to share your wealth, do some charity, give help to others. So that's, see, this man is also giving money to these poor people. So just give help, share your resources with others. Seven of Pentacles. So it talks about that you have to do a lot of hard work, and but the hard work that you'll do, you'll somewhat be a little disappointed with it. So don't be disappointed with the hard work that you're gonna do. The universe is with you. Trust the process. There's going to be success. And success is promised. But you are not going to be satisfied with it. So evaluate your emotions, evaluate the situation, and try to be happy, try to be calm. Eight of Pentacles. So here it talks about skills, it talks about success, it talks about hard work. So you need to work on your skills, you need to make a list of all the skills that you have and then number them, like the best skill, then the second best, and the third best, and then work on this last skill that you have listed and perfect it. This card talks about perfectionism. Just perfect your skill, just work on it, just reflect on it. There is going to be success. Nine of Pentacles. So this is a really positive card, and it is it is talking about luxury, financial independence. The universe is giving you blessings. Just receive the blessings. The universe is with you and it is taking your side. The things are going to turn your way. Just manifest. It's time to manifest right now. If you manifest, you are going to get results really soon. There's abundance. There's a lot of abundance. If you can see the grapes here, the grapes stand for abundance, and abundance of energy, abundance of success. Just it's a really positive and a yes card, I would say. Ten of Pentacles. So if this card shows up, then it means that there's going to begin a journey. There's like you're going to begin a journey which is going to promise you long-term success, unity, and legacy. So the if you can see, this is the last card, like number wise. This is the 10th card. So you have the maximum protection from the universe. Take the risk. If you are in a situation, just take the risk and you're gonna find success in that. So this is the Page of Pentacles. It talks about exploration. Observe. Observe the things that you have. There's so much potential. And be thankful for the things that you have. Practice self gratitude. Practice manifestation. And you are going to get a financial opportunity. Just keep your eyes open towards it. And this is a nice card. It's a maybe card, but I would say in financial sense it's a yes card. The Knight of Pentacles. So if you get this card, you need to observe the situation. You need to be patient with yourself. You need to control your emotion. It talks about good control. You are going to control your emotions pretty well. And there's hard work. You need to work hard to achieve productivity. If you work hard, then it's a yes card. And evaluate the situation well. So yeah, this is it. The Queen of Pentacles. So now you have reached the maturity that you need, the emotional maturity and stability, and you have flourished with a lot of good qualities and a lot of good experiences and practical knowledge. So now you're wise, you know what to do, you have the resources, you have the universe behind you. So just focus, just reflect, and you'll get there. So this is the last card of Pentacles, and this is the King of Pentacles. It talks about abundance, and it tells you to manifest what you want. You are the king, you can do anything you want, you rule. And it talks about physical potential and possibilities, wealth, leadership, business discipline. Just a little discipline is needed, and you can do whatever you want. You have all the resources, you're the king. Just go with it. So that was it for today. Hope the video was helpful and informative and you got something out of it. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. More love and light to you. Bye bye.